In this video, you'll be learning 4 tricks, making cards change into different cards. You'll be learning how to make cards teleport. How cool is that? Subscribe if you're new.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm the Magic Card Man. Today, I'm going to be teaching you easy magic you can do at home. So for the first trick, I guess it's not really a trick, it's just really cool. I mean, how cool is that? You ready? So, you grab the deck of cards, hold it in your hand just like this, or like this. And with your other hand, use your pointer finger, lift up about half of the deck of cards, right? And then with your thumb, you want to lift up about another half of the cards. And so now you like balance the cards on your fingers, just like this. How cool is that? So in all, it should look like this. Really fast, and then slow, it should look like this. How cool is that? Now for the next trick, you need about 2 cards that look pretty different. How cool is that? Oh, okay, so you need... So for this trick, you need to know the double lift. And a double lift is whenever you have 2 cards together looking, and they look like it's 1 card. See, look, that looks like... And it looks like I have 1 card, but really I have 2. And so how you do this is put the cards you want right on the deck. What you can do is dribble the cards just like this, and right when you land on the 2 cards, you can put your pinky right underneath it. So like you dribble the cards, right when you get to about the last 2, you stick your pinky here, and boom, just like that. But really I have 2 cards. And once you do the double lift, you grab the cards, put them in your mouth, and do like a snap motion. This is called the snap change. And so all you're doing is snapping your fingers, just snapping it, and putting the card in the back. It does take a little practice, so don't worry. You got this. And so when you put your mouth, take the cards out, and then snap. Just like that. So really slow, it should look like this. And then really fast, it should look like... Oh, I dropped the card. How cool is that? For the next trick, we're going to be learning the Erdnase color change, which is something like that. How cool is that? And then for the next trick, we will need any 2 random cards. Let's do the 7 of Hearts. The King of Spades. So have 2 cards back to back, just like this. And you want to push up the card, just like this. And then with the bottom of your hand, like your palm, you grab the bottom of the card, lift up, and then push the card over the king, and then use your pointer finger and push the king down, and then it looks like it changed. How cool is that? This is called the Erdnase color change. And so really fast, it should look like this. How cool is that? And when you do it slow, it should look something like that. And you can kind of do the wave motion to make it like, oh, it magically changed with magic. That is called the Erdnase color change. For the next trick, I'm going to be teaching you how you can magically make any 2 cards switch spots. How cool is that? Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? The secret is magic. Alright, so you want to put the cards back to back just like this, and just like the other trick, it is the snap change. All you're doing while you're shaking it is snapping them. And then once you get to this part, you just kind of push the 7 of Hearts, the card in the front, back onto the card just like this. So you're just putting it back on top, just like that. Or what you can do is, right whenever you're about to do it back, you can just be like, grab them with the other hand, like that, And so while you shake it, it's like they switch spots. When you shake it, they switch. How cool is that? I mean, like and subscribe, guys. If you made it this far in the video, comment, boom! And I love you guys so much. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. 10,000! I love you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button. I love you so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.